This episode is brought to you by Moxie Archery, where accuracy begins with craftsmanship.
Well, good morning, everybody. Happy opening day. The Michigan Hunters out there. It's November 15th, early in the morning. Sun's finally coming up here. It's been a beautiful morning so far. Heard a few shots. We're hunkered down in the tent. I shot a doe here a few weeks ago. I'm hoping for some action. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. Everybody stay safe and have fun. TKZ, baby. I literally just woke up from a nap because I thought I heard something. And there he came. I gotta compose myself. Looked like a pretty nice deer, nice 8-pointer. I'm not sure if it's one I've seen on trail camera before, but he got 2 cracks at him. The first shot looked good. I'm not sure about the second one. I seen him in the scope and I let it rip, so we'll see how it goes. I'll wait a few more minutes, wait a little bit, and then go track him. Hopefully we got good things. Stay tuned. Yeah, blood right away. That looks good. Good Lord, thanks for the opportunity. There he is. That didn't take very long. How amazing of an opening day. I am beside myself. Let's go get our hands on him, huh? What an opportunity. Self-filming. Oh my gosh. Look at this hoss. Oh my goodness. You got to be joking. Let me set this down. Alright, everybody. Here's our opening day buck. It was like unbelievable. I was literally taking a nap, and this thing came strolling by 20 yards from my tent. And well, first I heard it, or I heard something. That my neck hurt. My neck was hurting from the way I was sleeping. And so I picked my head up, stretched my neck out. I heard something. Start looking around. I see him coming down the trail, and I quick grabbed my gun, got everything fired up, and he came in, put the good shot on him. He didn't go. I'm probably 50 yards from where I was. 50 yards and piled up. Absolutely awesome. He's been rubbing, it looks like. And, just a magnificent buck. Can't be any happier. TKZ Outdoors, folks. You never know. You gotta sit and stand all day, baby. This is good things will happen. So now we gotta get him out of here. My old man and some buddies are still hunting. Best of luck to them. But right now we're gonna celebrate. TKZ, baby.